The following drum major in 2012 is Master Gunnery Sergeant Kevin Buckles of New Orleans, Louisiana. Lance Corporal Carlton Williams of Phoenix, Arizona. Yes, this user rocks. This user is friends Captain Hubbard, Staff Sergeant Wilkie, Sergeant Barter, and Lance Corporal McKinley. He plays New Super Mario Bros. 2 on the Nintendo 3DS. I hope the platoon gets a golden trophy. Who likes this user? Me. Alfred DS, Nathan the Beast the 10th, Hulkmaster 3110, Lil Wiki 1024, Sergeant Barter of Chicago, Illinois, Captain Edward Hubbard of Rye, New York, Rhea, New York, or whatever you can call it, Staff Sergeant Scott Wilkie of Salina, Kansas, and Lance Corporal Ryan McKinley of Sacramento, California. They told me to put them on their spot. Who hates this user? Manny D. Manson, Brianna D. Manson, Arofa Bootlufa, Dino Jim Bark, Quality Blocks 42, Ford Mustang 6161, Alfred Tsunami Hater, Raja, and Rabaz. They wish they failed this level, but they cannot because they still grounded. Lance Corporal Carlton Williams rocks, and so does Major Brian Dix of Newark, New Jersey, Captain Christopher Hall of Pomeroy, Ohio, Sergeant Barter, Staff Sergeant Scott Wilkie, and Lance Corporal Ryan McKinley of Sacramento, California. But if you hate this user, I respect your opinion. Anyways, Raja and Rabaz sucks, but if you like this user, do not trust, because they're teeth guys. Anyways, end of salute. Next salute, Alfred DS. After the Alfred DS salutes, Major Brian Dix of Newark, New Jersey. After Major Brian Dix salute, Captain Christopher Hall of Pomeroy, Ohio,